To solve a quadratic inequality with one variable with a graph, first thing you're going to do is you want to put it into standard form. So we're going to distribute out this negative 3. So it's 8x is less than or equal to negative 3x squared plus 3. We're going to move it all to the left side. And now we want to find our critical values. That should be a minus 3. So we subtracted 3 from both sides and added 3x squared to both sides. Now we're going to factor. So blank plus blank equals negative 8. Blank times blank equals negative 9. Our two numbers will be negative 9 and positive 1. So we have 3x squared minus 9x plus 1x minus 3 is less than or equal to 0. Split it into two groups and take out a common factor, which is 3x and 1. So we have 3x, x minus 3, plus 1, x minus 3. And so our final factored form is x minus 3 and 3x plus 1. Now we find our two critical values. So x minus 3 equals 0, so x is equal to 3. And 3x plus 1 is equal to 0, so x is equal to negative 1/3. Now, to graph this, if we were to imagine which direction this was opening, if we look here, our a value is positive 3, so we know it opens up. So it looks something like this. And we know this is negative 1/3 over here, and this is positive 3. Now we know that we want everything that is less than or equal to 0. So we're looking for this section right here. So we know it's from here to here. If we put this on a number line, it would be fill in the circle, negative 1/3, highlight all the way to 3. So our solution set is x such that negative 1/3 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 3 for all the real numbers. And there's our solution. The length of a rectangle is 3 meters greater than twice its width. So we have our length and our width. So the length of the rectangle is 3 meters greater than twice its width. So 2 times the width plus 3 more meters is our length. So we can let our width equal w. And we know that the area of the rectangle, so length times width, so w times 2w plus 3, is less than 55 meters squared. So less than 55. So we're going to expand out our brackets. So 2w squared plus 3w minus 55 is less than 0. This one isn't going to be able to be factored, so we're going to use the quadratic equation. So w equals negative 3 plus or minus the square root of 3 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 55 over 2 times 2. So it'll be either negative 3 plus root 449 over 4 or negative 3 minus root 449 over 4. And if you multiply this out, we'll either get 5.547 or negative 6.047. So if we were to graph this quickly, we know it's positive and opens up, and our intercepts are at negative 6 and at positive 4.5. Now, because we are dealing with a word problem, and we're dealing with the width. We can't have a negative width. So really, if you look at here, everything from here to here will be less than 55. We can't have anything past that. So our boundaries would be 0, less than w, which is our variable, less than 4.5, because this is our 0. So for any w between 0 and 4.5, it should work. So let's let w equal 4, because we just want to choose a value. So if w is 4, length is equal to 2 times 4 plus 3, which is 11. And so we verify to see if this works. So length times width is less than 55. 4 times 3, or 11, is less than 55. 44 is less than 55. So we know that this is a solution that satisfies the inequality.